And Television Dude here, and I have some records in the mail. I got some Record Store Day records. I actually ordered these the day before Thanksgiving. No, on Thanksgiving, because Record Store Day is the day after Thanksgiving. So it took them a while to get these here. The Tenacious D one was also a Record Store Day one, but I ordered that a little bit later. Now, more than likely, this will probably be the last record package for a while. More than likely, not less. I just buy something randomly. I did order some pre-order ones that I'll be getting in January. I don't really got the money to buy anymore at the moment, but that can always change. I always say that stuff, and then I end up getting more stuff anyway. You probably can see all my name and order details there. Maybe not. We'll start with this one here. What is this? This is Schooly D. PSK, what does it mean? And Gucci time. I'm sure I could have just got the original for this, but it looked really cool. We got it here. Ooh, look at that. Got Schooly D stickers. And for those of you not in the know, Schooly D is an old school 80s rapper. Actually, I think he even continued on into the 90s. Maybe even, I think he's still doing it today. Cool stuff. There's writing on the inside, isn't there? Oh, because there's another thing in here. Ooh, look at this. Like a story? Cool. Pictures? I like this. Old school boombox? That's really cool. What looks like a map of, I assume, New York. I'm no expert, but I've seen New York on the map sometimes, and that reminds me of the Manhattan area. When I was bored, I used to look at my McNally's Atlas a lot. Well, let's look at the record itself. It should be orange or yellowish. Ooh, it's like yellow or gold kind of colored, and it's clear on the other side because you can see right through it. Very cool. There was a lot more Record Store Day ones I wanted, but you know I can't afford everything. There's a really cool Judas Priest one. This one's also rap related. Is there anything that comes with this one? What is this? This is just my order form. Or is this a poster? What is this? Oh, it's a poster for them, I think, for North End Records, I think. Or just an advertisement that they're putting in their packages. Alrighty. I don't think they had anything to do with the record advertisement. Egyptian Lover. Now, I already have this song, you know, so I didn't really need this, but this is just too cool. Look at that. It's pyramid shaped. I'm going to have to unseal this, though. Ah, look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Folds like that. And the record's in here. Wow. This is just too cool. Oh, I'm putting my fingerprints on the plastic here. Look at that. That is cool. Look at that. Even the record is pyramid shaped. The grooves start right about there. I believe they have this set up to where you can actually display this and make it look like a pyramid as you're, yeah, like that right there. There we go. Now that is awesome. It's got magnets on there. Look at that. Wow. This is just wow. Man, this is going to be a display piece. It's got Egypt with girls, which might be the instrumental for girls. I don't remember now. I can't stop looking at this. This is just way too cool. I want to get a good thumbnail here for my video. Not to Photoshop it, but I'm gonna get me a good thumbnail here. The video is pretty much over. I just want to get a good thumbnail before I end this. I don't have to put that back in there. Oh, hey, thumbnail's turning into a fall over nail here. Move that out of the way. My tripod isn't the most stable there. There, I like that. So yeah, that's awesome. So the only thing, yeah, I can't really afford to buy any more records at the moment. You know, that can all change in just the blink of an eye. So that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching.